Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a browser with Bing default and a Microsoft account for API access or permissions. Next, choose your trigger, schedule, hotkey, or input file, because triggers define flow and frequency. Once done, install a lightweight automation tool such as Power Automate Desktop or a browser extension. These let you send queries and parse results. Make sure to grant necessary permissions so the tool can control tabs and capture page data, which prevents later permission errors. You now assemble the middle workflow. Add actions to open Bing, input queries from your source, and submit each search. This is where timing matters. Then insert parsing logic to extract titles, snippets, and URLs and route that output into a CSV, spreadsheet, or database so results are reusable. Once parsed, include loops and controlled delays to respect rate limits. Also add conditional branches for errors. If a CAPTCHA or timeout appears, pause, retry, or log the event so you maintain reliability. You finish by scheduling or binding the workflow to your chosen trigger and running short tests to confirm outputs match expectations. Testing prevents data drift. Once stable, automate delivery by emailing results, saving to cloud storage, or pushing to an API endpoint so downstream tools consume the data. If problems arise, focus on one key fix: manage rate limits and CAPTCHA interruptions, implement retries, backoff delays, and token refresh routines, because treating auth and throttling issues resolves the majority of failures.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.